Check out this spot. This is 5 minutes from my house. In London, so much space. Pretty good FPV spot. And London has been like this. I feel like I haven't seen sun in just weeks. It's been like this like every day this year. Yeah, I'm keen to go for a fly. Every time I go for a fly, I just feel a bit better afterwards. Just sort of gets it out of your system a bit. The same way that when I was living back in Australia, I would just surf, get in the ocean, or go diving, and it was the same thing. You come in and you're just like, oh, okay, all right, I can like start my day now. Like I feel good. But yeah, I found out that over here, like FPV really does that for me as well, which is sick. And I would, if you've never flown FPV before, man, and you feel like you have to do something sometimes to feel relaxed afterwards, give it a go. Yeah. I'm gonna fly the 5-inch. I just put the Superfly preset on it, so hopefully it works. Yeah, it should be pretty. I mean, everyone loves this preset. Let's give it a go. We're just gonna cruise. We're not doing anything crazy here. We're just gonna cruise around, check it out. All right. Well, let's just see if it flies, huh? Okay. Wow. This is not what I was expecting. The whole mid-range feels very chilled. I bet it has a crazy little expo on it. On the higher end. Okay. It's not too bad. This is a cool spot. Do you guys get that same feeling with FPVs? Like, it's kind of therapeutic for you. Feels better after you do it. Why do you guys fly? What do you like about it most? This preset really doesn't feel too crazy compared to what I've had on it before. It's got a crazy little top end to it, but the throttle mid is very chilled. These trees are nice. Yeah, I love just being able to get a new perspective on kind of everything. Just be like, all right, I'm gonna just leave the ground for a while and just fly around and just see what things look like from up here. just relax on top of the clouds for a while, really. It's kind of, yeah, that's been something that I've loved out of this, and that I never expected until I flew that first time. Maybe splash of water right where there's me. Cool preset. This is nice. I'm getting used to it a bit more now. I think I had quite an aggressive expo on before, and now it feels more chilled on that lower end. It's got this cool little path here. These trees are nice, but they're quite narrow, the gaps in between them, so they're actually pretty hard to gap, these trees. But let's cruise down this little path, have a look. And then we got this big tree here, which is sick. Little gap through it there. Then there's this other path. Just want to make sure there's no one on it, but ooh, sorry birds. See, that's a cool path just here. A few gappies. Kind of want to just try that path one more time. It's quite it's very snappy on the top end, this preset, but it feels very calm in the middle, which is cool. It's interesting. Missed that bit. Sick. Such a cool spot just here. Tiny gap though. Hello birdie. Let's try one more time. Whoa. Shit. I want to do those like dolphin things people do. Kind of like that, but not really. Jesus. Where am I? Ooh. Gotta get used to this spot a bit more. She goes. She's howling. Let's try to do a speedy run again. I want to fly on here, but I'm a bit wary of people around. Oh. Hit the tree twice. Yeah. Flight time 4 minutes, it's not that bad. Yeah, we're coming in fast. Don't want to ruin the batteries. Anyway, yeah, when you're feeling average, bit of that feels better. My mind feels clearer. I'm able to do a bit more stuff for the rest of the day, but yeah, man, I think maybe, I don't know, I've been living in London now for nearly 2.5 years, and I think it might be time to go back to Australia potentially. It's just been like too much of a struggle here. I work in film, and I'm not progressing how I pictured I would, and I just want to become a bit more like financially stable and just have a bit more consistency in my work, and yeah, and just be next to the ocean and all that. Yeah, it's I don't even know what to say. Yeah. Anyway, Superfly preset was cool.